The dream of having a temple was actually something that most people, and especially the pioneers of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, that is in Kenya, were really anticipating. This is one of the most historical moments when the saints can actually see the temple and they can be able to feel it and touch it. And nobody ever believed that at one time we'll have this experience of having a temple and the public would be allowed, to come in and watch and see what exactly Latter-day Saints actually believe in. Temples are actually symbols of great sacrifice. And sometimes we are reminded of the greater sacrifice that a lot of saints had to go through. Some of them were, belittled. Others even lost their jobs because of the beliefs that they used to uphold. There are those who their children were actually, expelled from school simply because they were seen with the Book of Mormon. And there are those who went through a lot, whether within the family or even in the places of work. There are quite a number of stories that the saints or the pioneers in Kenya, Nairobi, actually went through. And not only Kenya, Nairobi alone, every part of this country, Kenya, every part of this country.